Leo, I brought some fidget spinners. Yay! I love fidget spinners. Let's play with them.
Caillou. How dare you bring fidget spinners to school? That's it. I am confiscating these to a place where you'll never find them.
Man. I am really sick of Miss Martin confiscating our fidget spinners. What should we do? I think Miss Martin hides the fidget spinners in a vault under the school. Leo, you're a genius. To the computer lab. Oh my gosh, Leo. There actually is a vault under the school. Good. Where is it? The entrance is in the teacher's lounge. Darn it. How will we ever get in there? Don't worry. I have a plan. Meet me at my house after school. I have the blueprints here. Okay, here's the plan. And then we get our confiscated fidget spinners back. Now let's do it for real this time. The school dance is tonight. Perfect! Anyway, here's the team. Andre will be the muscle, Robbie will be the hacker, Xavier will be the lookout, and Billy will be the getaway driver. Got it. But we need to lure Miss Martin out of the teacher's lounge. Don't worry, the school dance is tonight. Miss Martin won't be in the teacher's lounge. Here are some walkie-talkies for everyone.
Are you ready to get your dance on?
Not now. But can I use the bathroom?
Okay, but hurry back.
Man. The door's locked. I know. I will use my skeleton key. Yes! Where's the entrance? It's behind the magazines. But it has a handprint detector. Robbie, can you print out a picture of Miss Martin's handprint? Got it. Here's the handprint. Let's see if it works. It worked. Let's go in. Man. We need a password. I wonder what the password could be. I know. The password is Caillou sucks. Wow! This is so beautiful. I think I'm going to cry. Now let's collect the fidget spinners. Andre, you carry the heavy bags full of fidget spinners and carry them up to the surface. Got it. That's all the fidget spinners. Victory dance. Caillou. Miss Martin is heading your way. You better get out of there. Darn it. I'm locked inside. Hey, where are my friends? Sorry, Caillou, we had to leave you behind because you were victory dancing for so long. Gosh dang it. How will I ever get out of here? Hey. Funny story.
Caillou. How dare you steal from the fidget spinner vault? That's it. I am calling your parents.
No, please don't. I am sorry.
Your apology is not acceptable. I am calling them anyway whether you like it or not.
You have reached the Caillou residence. How may we help you?
You'll never believe what Caillou did. He stole all the fidget spinners from the fidget spinner vault.
He did what? That's it. I'm on my way.